surrounded by worn out faces in crowded places. I'm on my own, just trying to get back. And I can't hide the guy that I used to be.